Hi everyone, I wanted to show you something I made for my new altar setup, and it was a tray to put the sand in because I wanted the white sand that I've got a big bag of as like the base for the altar. And what I needed was some sort of tray that would hold it in place. So as you can see, I've got some adhesive, some polyfiller, kitchen towels, one of those gun things for when you use the tubes of polyfiller, the back of an old clip frame, and some beading that's left over from when I redid the kitchen. And what I'm going to do is make myself a very shallow tray just to put the white sand in for the altar. So what I've got to do is take my sections of beading and cut them to size and to shape, and then glue those all the way around this board. The board is a bit too wide for what I want, so I'm going to have to trim the back off, but that piece there that's on the left, that's the depth I need it to be. So I matched the side first and then did the bottom edge and just glued it into place with the adhesive. I've got the adhesive is a tube adhesive which I used to stick an air vent cover onto the wall in my bathroom. It's a good adhesive, you just have to give it a chance to set. It takes like overnight to set properly. But once it's set, it stays there. It's pretty good. I did find I had to put a bit extra on though because it kept soaking into the very thin chipboard stuff that I've got from the backing of the old clip frame. As you can see, I've cut the corners so that they match. They're not perfect, but I use polyfiller in the corners for any gaps, and it's fine for what I need. Obviously this is what it's going to look like rough, and then the holes have got to be filled in as well. And once it's all dry, then it's a case of painting it. So as you can see here, it's all fully painted. It's got the beading all the way around. I painted it black and then filled it with the white sand. Then my daughter and I reset up the altar. I've got a mixture of the candles and some plants, and I bought that new candle holder for my centre candle for my goddess candle. To give it some height. I felt having the candle higher at the back and then the stag in front worked a lot better. So yeah, that's what we built and what we made. And I've got this now, will be my permanent setup, and then I'll just tweak bits here and there. So yeah, that's it. That's my little project I did over the weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.